this is Mutual of Omaha. How can I help?
Hi, I'm on a three-way call with one of your clients, and he's going to verify information. So we want to ask questions about the policy.
All right, and you're comfortable with Mr. Avila knowing details on your policy today?
Yes, I am. He has full authorization.
What questions do y'all have?
What kind of policy does he have?
This is an Index Universal Life Express.
How much, what's his monthly payment?
His monthly payment is set for $110.16.
What was his issue date? His issue date?
April 2nd, 2024.
What is the current cash value on the policy?
Cash value is zero.
Zero. And what is his surrender charge right now?
There's still $2,405 remaining.
When will the surrender charge be zero?
By the end of year 4, or year 4 is when he starts to gain value. End of year 2027.
2027. And when he is able to use it, when he does use it, like let's say we're in the year 2027, what's the loan amount? What's the interest rate to withdraw money? What's the loan rate?
The loan interest rate is 2%.
2%, and it doesn't change?
Let me verify, because there's two. There's an index loan, and then there's just a regular straight line loan. So for the index loan, that is going to be 3.75, and for a regular loan, it would be 2%.
3.75. So let's say between 2 to 3.75, depending on what kind of loan he withdraws. All right.
Yes, sir.
And that interest rate goes to the cash value or to Omaha, Mutual of Omaha?
So the interest on that loan is billed by us, and it would go to Mutual of Omaha. It would not go towards the outstanding loan balance or any accumulation on the policy.
What's the face amount right now?
$65,000.
Is it an increasing death benefit or level death benefit?
It is level. With us, it would be option 1.
If right now he has zero cash value, but let's say he had $5,000 in cash value, and then he was to pass away, the death benefit is going to be always $65,000. It's not going to change whether he has zero cash value or $5,000 or more cash value. Correct?
Correct.
So by the way, were you aware of any of this?
No.
So the agent that sold you this policy did not explain that if you were to pass away, you would not get your cash value?
Yeah, I don't know. It wasn't explained to me.
Yeah. Did he explain also that you would have...
We do have... Sorry.
Yeah. Did he also explain to you that there was going to be a surrender charge in the beginning that would not allow you to accumulate any cash value?
Yeah, that was not articulated to me. I thought that, what I was putting in, I would be able to use at any time.
Did he explain to you that you wouldn't be able to save any money or cash value would not accumulate until the year 27?
He did not.
Did he explain to you that if you did pull out money from your cash value, did he explain to you that you would pay 2 to 3.7% interest that would not be credited to you but would be credited to Mutual of Omaha?
No, sir.
Okay, so ma'am, I have a question. So you're explaining right now that his face amount is $65,000, but if he has cash value and he withdraws, let's say $10,000, and then he passes away, his death benefit is going to be reduced by $10,000 for a total of $55,000.
With a loan, yes.
He's paying $110 a month. Part of that money goes to pay for the cash value, and part of that money goes to pay for the cost of insurance, which rises every year. Is that correct?
Yes.
So some of the money goes for the cost of insurance, and some of the money goes for the face amount. So he's paying for two things with that monthly payment. So if he dies and he's taking out his cash value, which is with his payment, why is the face amount reduced if he's paying for both things separately? Does that make sense?
With a loan, it's because, again, it's offered as a living benefit.
It's
It
his
is
money though.
technically surrender value.
But it's
I
his
do
money
understand.
though.
And to harken back to that, I was also going to say that this is eligible for option 2, where it is increasing. We have the ability to do that once every policy year. And so if Mr. Anthony does want to go to an increasing option instead of a level, we can. As far as explaining why loan outstanding balance is taken from the benefit, unfortunately, I don't have a solid answer for you because that's above my head how they structure those. I can attempt to get an answer for you though, if you don't mind holding.
Not yet. Hold on, please. Before you put us on hold, I just wanted to be clear for that the cost of insurance goes up every year. And the cost of insurance eventually, at what age will it be more than his monthly payment of $110.16? Do you have that information as well?
I'm not able to project future cost of insurance, unfortunately. And on average, cost of insurance rises between $5 and $10 every year.
So $5 and $10 every year. So right now, what is the cost of insurance at this year?
Cost of insurance this year is $62.11 as of.
Okay, so $62 minus 110 is $48 divided by, you said 5 to 6 months. Let's say best case scenario, $5. So that means in 9 years, according to what you just said, in about 9 to 10 years, his cost of insurance is going to be more than $110 a month. So in 9 or 10 years, is his monthly payment going to go up?
It is an option for him to increase that premium, but that's what I was explaining earlier. The intention on these is to build that accumulation value so that even when his cost of insurance rises above his premium payment, that accumulation value fills the gap.
So the cash value, the accumulated value, is going to pay for the difference so that his payment stays the same. What happens when the money runs out?
If the money is depleted, then we would notify him for sure that the value is getting low. And then at that time, he may have to explore paying a higher premium or making a lump sum payment. The best way to avoid that situation is to look at annual statements as they come in. They are going to be produced 4 to 6 weeks after your anniversary date, so they should come up around May for you. And those will give you an entire breakdown of how your plan is actually performing. So like this most recent one.
Well, ma'am, I think we got all of our...
accumulation value.
Yeah, I think we got all of our questions answered. Unless then you want to wait on hold and you want to ask more questions, I think she was pretty helpful. I think she answered all of our questions already.
Yes, absolutely. I kind of got what the information I needed from her. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yeah, well.
For sure.
Ma'am, I have a question. If he wants, because he wasn't told none of this, and when I was talking to him, he was pretty upset, but he wanted to hear it for himself. So if he wants to write a letter to the company, Mutual of Omaha, requesting refunds or filing a complaint, is there a particular fax or email that we should do that we should know about?
Yes, so I will provide you with both, and you can always call in and we can take your complaint verbally. We actually have a process on our side, and with the conversation that we had in the midst of all this, I was going to submit that this wasn't explained properly, so we'll have notes on our side as well if you wish to file a formal complaint for sure.
Yeah, I do.
So what is a fax machine? Let's start with the
Fax number.
And how about the email?
Was there anything else that I could help with on my side?
No, ma'am. Ms. Rovila?
Nope.
Right.
That's pretty much it. Thank you for your help, ma'am. You were very helpful. You answered all of our questions. Thank you.
My pleasure. Y'all have a great rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
All right. See there?
Yeah.
Okay. I hung up on the other line. So, yeah, man. That's it.
I'm freaking pissed because they didn't even tell Curtis that. So that's wild. Everything that was explained yesterday, and I was trying to hold my gut because I wanted to bite her head off, but I was like, you know what? At this point, how do you tell somebody as a living life insurance is supposed to be for both living and death? And then you're telling me that I'm paying you to keep it. The cash value goes to you. The interest rate's on your side, not mine. And then every month the renewal charge, that hierarchy you were talking about, the new renewal term,
Yep.
that it goes up so high where I'm not getting nothing, and then my cash value goes down if I take it out. That's not how IUL is supposed to operate.
Yeah, you're gonna love this business, bro, because that's all we do. That's our crusade. In fact, that's how our company started in 1977. The guy that started the company was you. It was basically you. He got screwed over. He was so pissed, and he said, heck no, I'm starting a company that just sells term 100% of the time, and we're gonna go to war with cash value companies. And this war has been going on for years, my friend. Years.
I'm a soldier when it comes to that, bro. I'm not bragging or nothing, but credit to tell you, I enjoy doing it now. As far as like the fighting, doing credit, helping people clean their credit, having people tell them you can't get rid of a bankrupt, you can't. I don't like bullies. I can't stand them. And I love cutting the life's head off. The devil is a whole lot.
Let's go, man. Let's go. We're gonna go to war together, bro. We're gonna get you licensed, and we're gonna replace a lot.
Yeah, I enjoy how you were operating, and that's kind of like how you were putting that fire under her butt, and it's like I can smell the skin burning.
That's so much fun, man.
Like,
it's fun.
You can't answer that, can you? You can't answer it, can you?
She wanted to.
Like, she had to tell the truth.
She wanted to say it in a different way, man. Her butt was burning for sure. Anything else?
Yeah, that'll do it. I thank you for your time. I appreciate what you're doing and what you are doing, and I look forward to getting something, to get my family safe and have another spirit of income to be able to access to what I'm already doing, and that's helping people physically, financially.
Yep.
It's a full spectrum. So I'm enjoying what I'm about to get into.
Let's do this. All right, perfect. Super excited for you, man. All right, we'll go from there. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, have a good day, brother. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye.